right onto Preston Avenue South, then make a U-turn at Stonebridge Common.
What, baby? Sabi niya, oh my God, yung t-shirt niya raw nagdudun. Kasi mainit, baby, kanina eh. May araw. Kukunin ko na. Kukunin mo na, baby. Wow! Good job! Yay! Gising na ang baby. Are you awake? Huh? Yep. Yes po?
Sorry.
Okay, it's okay lang. Oo, nag-sorry. Hinagis niya kasi yung unan eh. Tamaan si Lola, no?
Don't worry, Ink House is here. Whether you're working from home or the office, Ink House is your local authorized dealer for a large selection of ink and toner supplies, brand names, premium tone compatibles, and the eco-responsible Canadian-made EcoTone inks and toners. HP, Brother, Epson, and Lexmark printers, or even large office photo partners. Ink House has you covered.
Ala ko, parang choke yung pagkakabasa ko.
Free delivery. Ink House, 718A, Circle Drive East, across from SMP.
Alam ko sa siya pupunta. Ikaw kasi.
Self-clean na sila. Nasa-self-clean na. Oo, maliit yan. Mataas yung dating binibili ninyo eh. Juice. What do you want, baby?
Oh. Right to catch me. We can make a deal together. Right to catch me.